Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. I'll be showing you guys the new weather event on Groway Garden. It's called the Safari Tour. You're just going to get on the car. It says go on a safari tour and enjoy some rewards. So you're just going to get on the tour. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Wait, let me turn the volume up. Ooh, okay. Oh, I got a safari egg from that. Wow, this is neat. This is really cool. Okay, on to the next one. Let's see. Let's see what we get. Why am I sitting at the back? I should sit at the front. Maybe this point of view? Whoa. Very cool. Okay, I gotta get a picture for my thumbnail. Like, y'all, I'm so sorry. Okay, here's the next stop. I'm assuming. Oh. Maybe not. Hyena? Where? Oh, very cool. Okay, gotta get a picture. Sorry. Oh, I'm lagging. Oh, I got another safari egg. That's neat. Okay, I feel like there will be 4 stops, so you guys have to walk now. What? I'm still in the car. Ooh, okay, swamp. Really cool. Well, look there, a few crocs sunbathing on the bank. Don't lean too far. Looks like they're in a good mood. They've shared some extra rewards with us. I got a safari crate. Sorry, I had to take another picture for the thumbnail. I'm so sorry. The other one wasn't aligned to my liking. Yeah, I think there's going to be 4 corners on the safari tour. This will be the last one, I think. Ooh, giraffes! I love giraffes. They spend most of their days browsing the treetops, snacking. I wasn't even finished reading. Just like a fingerprint. That's really cool. Looks like a cheetah watching from a distance. Oh no. Special rewards. Let's see what we get. Okay, safari crate. That's cool. Wow, this is a really neat weather event. Give our tall friends a wave goodbye. Bye. Bye, giraffe. Okay, I feel like this tour will be so long. You can just experience this yourself. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.